Larong lahi refers to traditional Filipino games or children's games popular in the Philippines before the arrival of modern technology and foreign games. These include games like patintero, tumbang preso, luksong tinik, luksong lobid, and many more. These games showcase the culture and tradition of Filipinos. And one of larong Pinoy we chose was luksong lobid. The jump rope is one of the famous games in the Philippines. It has been invented during the 70s. The game is played mostly by girls inside or outside of their houses. The early 90s jump rope or luksong lobid had become popular since both boys and girls were playing